simplified solutions and products have redefined the functioning of organizations across segments. Vidwath, the all-in-one projector, has emerged as the most sought-after device in the interactive multifunctional projectors category. The inbuilt features of the device and its multifunctional ability enable the products to stand out from their counterparts. This fully loaded device is easily portable and has the innate quality to convert any surface into an interactive resource. Irrespective of the projected end or ambience, Vidwath delivers a magical confluence of visual and sound worth experiencing. The multifunctional ACE takes things a notch above with a smart interactive technology combined with smart board application and stylus pen, which enhances the interactive process. The Vidwath all-in-one projector has a versatile rear port panel that offers comprehensive connectivity to external devices. The panel has 6 Type B USB ports and exclusive HDMI, LAN and VGA slots for flawless operation. Vidwath is propelled by Windows, Ubuntu, Android operating system and powered by Intel Core i3 and i5 processor. The built-in features of Vidwath collectively produce commendable results across specified spaces. The device exhibits a decent throw ratio and can deliver quality output to a distance ranging between 0.4 to 3.8 meters. The specifications are immensely satisfying and are at par with the best in the category. Display is a vital aspect of any projection device. Right from the conception stage, the development team at Vidwath ensured that all the required parameters were in line to produce an immaculate display system. This focus and emphasis resulted in Vidwath exhibiting a flawless HD quality display irrespective of the surface. Vidwath, from the house of Vidwath, has all the innate qualities to be a part of any communication armory. The interactive all-in-one multifunctional projector had an impressive stint with educational segments, followed by government institutions and corporate companies. Built in with impeccable features, Vidwath was born and is bound to produce amazing results, and it's only going to get better with time. Vidwath, simplified solutions.